Hello, welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. Hi, hello, how are you? This is golamsaroarsumon. You are watching me on my YouTube video. Today, in this video, I am going to speak about a very important grammatical topic. The topic is preposition. So, at first, I want to define what is a preposition. A preposition is a part of speech who sits before a noun or a pronoun and links to the other parts of speech. That means sitting before noun or a pronoun, it links to the other parts of speech in a sentence is called preposition. So what is the classification of preposition and how it works? I don't want to classify today in this short video because this video is very short. I just want to say, or I just want to inform you about the two preposition and its using, how the two preposition number one with and number two within are used in your sentences. Number one, with. With is a preposition which can be used on a matter, on a scene which is notable or which is watchable. That means I want to go school today with you. I want to do the work with you. I have to talk with you. I want to enjoy the match with you. With has been used before a noun or a pronoun which is notable or which is seenable or which is watchable. I think you have understood better how and why with is used before noun or a pronoun. Now, this time I want to say what is within. With and within, which is very similar while pronouncing, but that's a simple spelling different. W-I-T-H with and W-I-T-H-I-N within. So where within is used, within will be used before a noun or a pronoun which is not notable, not seenable or not watchable or not seeable. That means I want to go to school within 5 minutes. I want to do the work within 10 minutes. I want to think about this matter within the think or within the matter. I want to do the work within the imagination. So imagination or a thing or a time, everything is not notable. It is just thinkable. You can imagine it. So within should have to be used before the noun or a pronoun which is just imaginable, not notable, not watchable, not seenable. I think you have understood what is the difference between with and within. So this is end of this video. I think you have understood better. If you have any more question about preposition, please, which kind of question do you have in your mind? You can write on my comment box. Thumb a like and subscribe my channel. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.